Pistachios may be small, but they are packed with nutrients that can have a surprisingly big impact on your health. These bright green nuts contain protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other plant compounds that support different functions throughout the body. Whether you enjoy them as a quick snack, sprinkle them over yogurt, or add them to meals, pistachios can be much more than something delicious to munch on. In fact, regularly including them in a balanced diet may benefit everything from your heart and digestion to your blood sugar, eyes, and overall energy. Number 1. Pistachios can support your heart. Your heart works around the clock, so giving it the right nutrients is essential. Pistachios are rich in unsaturated fats, which can help support healthy cholesterol levels when they replace foods higher in saturated fat. They also provide potassium, magnesium, fiber, and antioxidants, creating a combination that can contribute to cardiovascular health. Research on nuts has repeatedly connected regular nut consumption with better heart health outcomes, making pistachios an easy and delicious choice for people looking to build a heart-friendly diet. Number 2. Pistachios can improve digestion. Your digestive system does far more than simply process food, and pistachios can help support it in several ways. They contain dietary fiber, which helps add bulk to stool and encourages regular bowel movements. Even more interestingly, some of the carbohydrates in pistachios reach the large intestine, where they can interact with the beneficial bacteria living in your gut. Studies suggest that pistachios may positively influence the gut microbiome, making these crunchy nuts an unexpectedly useful food for digestive health. Number 3. Pistachios may help control blood sugar. Unlike sugary snacks that can cause blood glucose to rise quickly, pistachios contain a combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. These nutrients slow digestion and can help create a steadier response after eating. Research has found that eating pistachios alongside carbohydrate-rich foods may reduce the rise in blood glucose that would otherwise occur. While they are certainly not a treatment for diabetes, pistachios can be a smart snack choice for people who want to make their overall diet more supportive of healthy blood sugar levels. Number 4. Pistachios can keep you fuller for longer. Ever notice how a small handful of pistachios can feel surprisingly satisfying? That is largely because they contain protein, fiber, and fat, all of which contribute to feelings of fullness. Their crunchy texture can also encourage you to eat more slowly, giving your body more time to recognize that it is satisfied. Choosing pistachios instead of highly processed snacks may therefore make it easier to stay satisfied between meals and avoid constantly reaching for another snack. Number 5. Pistachios are packed with antioxidants. Pistachios contain several powerful antioxidant compounds, including polyphenols, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress, which occurs when unstable molecules called free radicals become excessive in the body. The green and purple colors found naturally in pistachios are partly related to these plant compounds. Eating antioxidant-rich foods is an important part of a balanced diet because they help support the body's natural defenses against cellular damage and may contribute to long-term health. Number 6. Pistachios can support eye health. Your eyes need specific nutrients to remain healthy, and pistachios happen to contain two particularly interesting ones: lutein and zeaxanthin. These carotenoids are concentrated in the retina, including the macula, an area responsible for sharp central vision. They help protect the eyes from certain forms of light-related oxidative stress. Pistachios are therefore a surprisingly convenient source of compounds associated with maintaining healthy vision, especially when combined with other nutrient-rich foods such as leafy green vegetables, eggs, and colorful fruits. Number 7. Pistachios may help support healthy blood pressure. Pistachios provide minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which are important for normal cardiovascular function and blood pressure regulation. Potassium helps maintain fluid balance in the body, while magnesium participates in hundreds of biochemical processes. Choosing unsalted or lightly salted pistachios can be especially useful when replacing heavily salted processed snacks. Of course, one food cannot determine your blood pressure by itself, but pistachios can fit nicely into an overall eating pattern designed to support cardiovascular health. Number 8. Pistachios can support metabolic health. Metabolic health involves how effectively your body manages things such as blood sugar, fats, energy, and other essential processes. Pistachios offer a useful combination of protein, fiber, unsaturated fats, and relatively little naturally occurring sugar, making them a nutrient-dense food. Research into regular nut consumption has found promising associations with healthier cholesterol and blood sugar measures. Their benefit does not come from somehow speeding up your metabolism, but from providing high-quality nutrients that can help support the body's normal metabolic processes. Number 9. Pistachios can fit into a healthy weight management diet. Because pistachios contain quite a few calories in a relatively small serving, they are sometimes misunderstood as a food that automatically causes weight gain. In reality, their protein, fiber, and healthy fats can make them extremely filling. Research suggests that regular nut consumption does not necessarily lead to the weight gain people might expect from their calorie density. In fact, when pistachios replace less nutritious snacks, they can provide more satisfaction and nutrients for a similar eating occasion. The key is enjoying an appropriate portion rather than treating them as an unlimited snack. Number 10. Pistachios deliver an impressive nutrient package. Perhaps the most incredible thing about pistachios is that their benefits do not come from just one nutrient. They provide protein, fiber, healthy fats, vitamin B6, thiamine, copper, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, antioxidants, and carotenoids all in one food. Vitamin B6 supports normal protein metabolism and nervous system function, while copper contributes to energy production and connective tissue formation. Instead of relying on one supposed superfood ingredient, pistachios give your body a broad mixture of nutrients that can contribute to overall wellness. Ultimately, pistachios are not a magical food that can prevent every illness or replace a balanced diet. Their real advantage is that they combine several valuable nutrients in a convenient, satisfying, and genuinely delicious package. Adding a reasonable portion of pistachios to your meals or snacks can help increase your intake of plant protein, fiber, healthy fats, minerals, and antioxidant compounds without requiring a complicated change to your eating habits. So, the next time you crack open a handful of pistachios, do not think of them as simply another crunchy snack. These little green nuts can support your heart, digestion, blood sugar balance, fullness, eyes, blood pressure, metabolism, weight management goals, and overall nutrient intake. That is a pretty impressive list of benefits for something that can fit in the palm of your hand. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.